The Kanban view provides you with quick at-a-glance information about the different states in a given module. Both the at-a-glance info and the states monitored can be chosen by you to give you a better picture of what your specific data looks like. So here we have an example of a Kanban view for the deals module. And the purpose of this view is to manage sales opportunities by stage and instantly see your pipeline health. So at the top of the Kanban view, we can see the different stages of the deal pipeline. Within that header, we can also see an aggregate of the amounts of each deal within that certain stage. Underneath, we can actually see the cards representing each deal underneath a certain stage. These cards have fields set based on what we want to see quickly and at a glance. So we can see the deal name, the amount, the closing date, and the owner of the deal. So now let's jump into how we can build our own Kanban view. So to give you a better idea of what this looks like and how to build it, I'm going to approach this under the lens of building a Kanban view to help manage ongoing customer retainers or support subscriptions. So to start, I have this custom module already made called Support Plans. And the Support Plans module exists to manage and monitor customers who are on ongoing support or service agreements, not just one-time projects. So here is the Support Plan module. So to start building your Kanban view, you want to go to the module you wish to view. So I'm already in the Support Plan module. Next, what you want to do is you want to click the top right button next to the Create Record button, so this View button here, to open up this drop-down. Once you open up the drop-down, click Kanban View. Now, if you don't already have an existing Kanban view, this is going to open up this window here, which allows you to create your first Kanban view. Top here, we can fill out this form to build our Kanban view. I'm going to put a title here. When you're giving your Kanban view a title, you should give it a title that's related to what it does. So for us, this is just to manage support plan statuses. Next, you want to choose a field to categorize records by. Note that only picklist fields will show up here, as it's required to have multiple options to monitor the different states. Choosing a good category is important as it will allow you to segment the states better. So we want to see our support plan based on their status. So this is the field that we are going to categorize by. Next, we have this optional field called aggregate by. This field shows a number, decimal, or currency field at the top of each stage. It's good for showcasing money or numbers where you care about what the totals are at each stage. So on the deal Kanban view, what we saw was the aggregate amount of all the deals under a certain stage showcased at the top. For us, in this support plan, what we want to see is maybe their monthly hours. So we're going to choose that. Next, you have the header style here. This one isn't too important, but it essentially just changes the color of the stages at the top. So if you choose monocolor, every single stage is going to be the same color. If you choose multicolor, the stages will be different colors. We're going to go with multicolor for this one. Now lastly here, you can actually choose the different fields that you want to appear on those cards in your Kanban view. Note that however your module is identified by must be in the selected field. So our module is identified by an auto number field, and so therefore this support plan's name which is an auto number, is going to show up in every card. So let's choose the fields that we want to appear. We want client name, monthly hours, renewal date, and health status. And this is going to give us the best at-a-glance picture of our support plan. So next, when I press save, we can see the view is now updated into this support plan. So we have our client name, monthly hours, the renewal date, and the health status of every single person in this view. Much like with the deal Kanban view, we can also see the monthly hours aggregate at the top of each stage. We can also see the number of records in each stage. So proposal sent has 6 records, active has 10, renewal due has 12, on hold has 9, and closed has 13. If you would like to edit your Kanban view at any point, you can select the edit icon next to the view name. This will pull back up this dropdown and you can edit it as you'd like, or you can delete it. If you want to create another one, if you click where the name is, that'll open down a dropdown, and then you can click Create Kanban View. And this will open up the form to make a new Kanban.